Okay, now let's look at question 7. Okay, give me a second. Yep. Ah, okay, that's basically question 7. Now, if you read this question, okay, I haven't read it before. Now, label everything. We have a mass, this, they're all labeled. And if we go down there, okay, constant speed. Okay, whatever you say the word constant speed, acceleration is 0, net force is 0. What is the driving force being exerted? So the driving force, because the net force is 0, so the driving force, the friction must be, the driving force must be equals to this 270, which is 260 newtons. Okay, that should be your answer. Now, let's go to a more difficult question. Question 8. Okay, now, what we have here, same question, so let's label it now. The mass will be, okay, there's a weight force, so mass is 90 kilogram. The mass here will be 40 kilogram. Okay, now let's go down. Okay. So the bike travels initially at the beginning at t equal to 0. Okay, the speed is 6 meters per second. Okay. The cyclist stopped pedaling and the bike stopped pedaling, so there's no driving force. Okay. And the bike, okay, no driving force, no FD. Okay, are slowing down. How far will the bike writing down? So when I do this question, okay, if you struggle with this question, try to write down everything in Word. Okay, now when t equal to 0, the velocity is 6. Okay, the initial velocity we use u, 6 meters per second. Now, when the cycling, when there's no driving force, it's slowing down. Okay, so the friction force is going to be, and this 2 up, 260 newtons. Okay. The mass, the total mass, mt, will be, adding them up, 130 kilograms. Okay, so because it's asking how far, okay, it asks for the displacement. Okay, so remember you need to use those constant acceleration equations. Again, okay, write them in your cheat sheet. Okay, so go through your notes. They should be on page, should be somewhere there. Yeah, here. Okay, write those equations down in your cheat sheet. Like, don't try to memorize them. There's no point. You can use your cheat sheet in the exam. Okay. Use your brain for something else. So copy them down on your cheat sheet. Okay. Now, okay, from here, okay, also remember we have the friction force, okay, we have the mass, Newton's second law, F equals to ma. Okay, use it to figure out the acceleration. Okay, 260, do your math. Acceleration will be, remember, sorry, okay, on your friction, remember a minus sign. That's really important. Okay, I write down there, friction minus sign. Okay, so your acceleration will be minus 2 meters per second square. Always remember the unit. Then we have a look. Okay. I know what is t. Okay. Uh, sorry, I don't know t. How far? Okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Let me write it down at t equal to 0. Okay. Now, sorry, just let's read the last sentence again. How far will the bag travel? Sorry, how far will the bag and the trailer travel before they come to rest? Okay. When you say the word rest, means your final velocity will be 0. Okay. That's why it stops. Okay. Your wave should be 0. Okay. Now we have u, we have v. I have the value of acceleration. I need to find the displacement. Okay. Then go to your uh, acceleration equations. Okay. I have u, v, a. I need to find x. So I need to find the equation contents u, v, a, and x. U, v, that's t. I don't have the time t. No, I don't have time. How long it took. I don't have the time. I can't use this one. U, we have v, u, acceleration t. I can't use this one. I can't use this one. I can't use the one with t. However, the last one, u, v, a, x. Okay. I have the value of v. I have the value of u, value of a, and x. Now I need to find x. So that's the equation we need to use. So write it down. Okay. V square equals to u square plus 2ax. Okay. Then substitute your values in. V will be 0. U is going to be 6 minus 2. Well, let me do it properly. 2 times, okay, the dot is a time. Okay, 2 times minus 2. Okay, don't forget the minus sign is x. Okay, then I have 0 equals to 36 minus 4x. 4x equals to 36. X is going to be 9. Okay, and your unit meters. So that's your answer. Okay. So in the exam, it will be a 3-mark question. Okay. Just a reminder, okay, if you write down this equation, you get 1 mark. Okay. You have the answer, well, obviously you have 1 mark. Also, if you find the acceleration, you have 1 mark. 1, 2, 3, 3-mark question. Okay. The idea is whenever a tip for examination is, okay, whenever you say a constant acceleration question, okay, just write down. If you have no idea which equation to write, just write down all of them. Okay, then you will get at least 1 mark for this equation. Okay, that's just some exam techniques.